Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to In this video we are going to be fixing a vintage speaker okay, so and you don't get. Okay, so and something just failed. And here we are. My firmware. As you can see, camera focus and this thing fused. Windows 10. How wrong was that? Okay, so Windows says. So the program, well, the strap. As you can see, this thing is straight. What? Let's see if. Oh. Okay, I found out. Today being the day of bad decisions. Okay, so obviously. And everything is covered. Yeah, a child in the background. Anyway. Okay, so let's do this. And yeah, my baby girl. Ta-da! Ce? N-am voie să filmez, că trebuie să mă întreb tu ce? Mersi. Just want to click. What you know?
Să nu mai știu ce.
For cars with keyless entry and keyless go, you have your car, let's say, in the house and the key. Did I say the car? Fuck. So, to do the. Kids. Okay, so that thing is. These are really high fish. No. Okay, so just a suggestion to suggest. Okay, so lots of dust. After the and the centers. Okay, voiles. Well. How quite like them at all. What? And that's it. So hopefully this also works for you. Give the video a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.